At ATM Tanks, we understand the importance of maintaining the integrity and safety of your tanks and reservoirs. That's why we offer comprehensive ROV inspections that adhere to Australian standards. Our team of highly skilled and certified professionals ensures that every inspection is conducted with precision and accuracy. Using our advanced underwater drones, we are able to access even the most challenging areas of your tanks and reservoirs. These drones are equipped with high-definition cameras, allowing us to capture crystal-clear images and videos of the internal structures. Our team meticulously analyzes the captured footage and prepares detailed reports in line with Australian standards. These reports provide you with a comprehensive understanding of the condition of your tanks and reservoirs, highlighting any potential issues or areas that require attention. Whether you're in the oil and gas industry, manufacturing, or any other sector that relies on industrial tanks, trust ATM Tanks for all your ROV inspection needs. Contact us today to schedule an inspection and experience the highest level of professionalism and expertise.